Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix mouse scroll not working in MacBook M4. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. Now click on settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on mouse. Now here you can see the option scrolling. Now turn it off or turn it on. After turning on or off this button, then here you can manage your scrolling speed. So this is the way to fix mouse scrolling in MacBook M4. Thanks for watching this video.